How about that sunset this evening from Oak Mountain State Park? David Graves sending us that from Shelby County. We've got the orange colors of typical January sunset when the sky is clear like this. And tonight, it's clear and cold in North Shelby County. It's 28 at Eagle Point, 31 in Chelsea. In Hoover, close to the municipal complex, we've got 31, but it's 35 in River Chase, 34 up on the ridge at Bluff Park. The airport now at 30, but Pinson down to 35 degrees. Trussville's at 29. It's even colder in Jasper and in Haleyville, and with a light northeast wind settling down, expect thick frost and a cold night. Frosty in the morning. Birmingham's low right around 29, but some are already well below that. Tomorrow afternoon, we're in the 50s, but rain is on the way in, and it could get a little heavy at times, especially over the southern and central part of the state. Chilton County, Coosa, Bibb, Shelby, Talladega. You may end up with some of the best rain there, but from Jefferson County northward, it'll be a little bit spottier when it comes to folks getting more than, say, a half inch of rain. Here's 7 o'clock tomorrow evening. Radar should look something like that. I think most of the drive home around Jefferson and Shelby counties probably dry. Tuscaloosa County, we may start to see some rain, especially on the west side of Tuscaloosa before the evening rush. And then Anniston, Gadsden, Cullman, Center, Talladega, we're probably not getting rain till well after dark. Rain will continue through Saturday morning, but it starts to break up pretty quickly. And then we watch this big snowstorm go up across the northeastern part of the country after laying down a layer of ice here in the mountains of Virginia, West Virginia. Get heavy snow up in Pennsylvania, New York. That moves on up toward Boston. And then Sunday looks dry for us around here. Total rainfall with round 1. I think most of us in this green to blue shade, that's going to roughly get us about a ½ inch of rain overall for most of central Alabama. Some spots are going to get a little bit more. But then the big deal, that happens early next week. About an 18-hour window where we could have wind gusts over 40, potentially as high as 60 miles per hour, 2 to 4 inches of rain, maybe even a spot or two getting 5 inches, and a severe weather threat down close to the Gulf Coast. Watch this big storm system crank up. Even as early as 9 o'clock Monday evening, wind already gusting as high as 44 to 50 miles per hour. 8 o'clock Tuesday morning, potentially heavy rain falling. Daytime high on Tuesday is going to make it to the 60s. The wind also could be close to 60 miles per hour. So a very intense storm system passing through. Severe weather threat is greater down to the south, but we're going to have high wind and heavy rain nonetheless. Then it dries out some and cools down Wednesday and Thursday.